Some people that come to you are very sick as well.
Yeah.
So you look at cholesterol, and you are able to do it naturally. Take them out. What other kind of testing?
And most of the things that we're talking about right now is really in people who are mostly pretty healthy.
Okay.
I also take care of people who are very sick. And one of the things that I do, in the alternative approach is I support the body. So I do things like intravenous vitamins, high doses of vitamin C, glutathione, potent antioxidants that I can put it right into their veins. You can't get glutathione naturally in your body. I do detoxification. I do EDTA, chelation. There are a lot of people walking around out there who are metal toxic. They don't even know it.
So you do metal tests?
So I do metal testing because sometimes, I'll give you a great example. I had this young woman, mother brings her in to me. She's 20 years old. She's a college student at NYU. She goes to class. She comes home and gets in bed. She has no energy. She can't function. She can't do anything. And she's gained 50 pounds. She's eating a healthy diet. She tries to go to the gym. She's just completely wiped out. She's been to 15 different doctors. Everybody said there's nothing wrong with her. They said she's psychological. She has a psychological problem. She's depressed. Okay? I ran a toxic metal test on her. Mercury was off the charts. Off the charts. Couldn't even measure it. It was so high. I chelated her. I couldn't believe it myself, the difference in this girl. She came back to me 4 or 5 months later. She had lost 50 pounds, and she was herself again. She was a normal girl. Beautiful.
For people that don't know what chelated her, so this is like an IV that goes in.
There's a couple different ways to do it.
That leaches the heavy metals out of the body.
Right. What it does is it binds up the metals.
Right.
It binds it up, brings it out, because normally these toxic metals are in your tissues, but what they do is they poison your cells, so your cells can't function normally. They're poisoned by the metal. And then it pulls the metal out into the bloodstream, and then you excrete it in the urine or through the digestive tract, and you get rid of it.
Is Hollywood, and you're near Hollywood, and I know you have celebrity following, but is Hollywood in on this? Because they look younger now than ever. A 50-year-old in Hollywood is young.
Yeah.
Very young, 60, 70.
Well, I think the paleo nutrition is slowly creeping into
combined with hormones?
Combined with some hormones, and then there's a lot of cosmetic stuff a lot of people do. A lot of Botox, a lot of filler.
And you like pellet, for people who are just tuning in now, but you do pellet therapy.
So I do, the hormones are a number of different ways. I use creams, a lot of creams, drops under the tongue, injectables for men, and pellets. There are those different modalities.
And it's safe. You're convinced it's safe if given to the right person.
If it's monitored, if it's done correctly, if you're doing it with someone who knows what they're doing, I believe it's very safe.